Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Thank you guys for your continued support. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't and turn on the bell for more video. Welcome our new members, to the old ones. God bless you. If you're passing by, please join us. So you're supporting us, may the Lord support you in everything you lay your hands. Amen. The video you're about to watch, it's an important announcement. Please let us watch with an open mind so we can understand the message that is before us before it's too late. Please watch, and I will see us on my next video.
As I'm talking to you now, Israelites are defending themselves against terrorism. AK-47 for AK-47. Bomb for bomb. Rocket for rocket. Machete for machete. Eye for eye. Do me, I do you. Now they go on now. Israel and the Palestinians. They no use, Israel no use King James Bible. They defend themselves. They no enter church, begin they say, God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, come and help us. So, na lie you. Now fire for fire. Now wouldn't think they defend themselves. But in Nigeria, you are a man of God. You are the GO pastors. When Fulani herdsmen, Mieti Allah, begin they slaughter people. Una don't forget about Benue massacre. The Benue people take caterpillar, they bury them loved ones. Benue people take trailer, they pack dead body where Fulani herdsmen kill. They go bury. Even the massacre sote, they enter Enugu. What did they tell us? Saying a prayer. All the pastors, all of them that the GO, they say a prayer. Say we should pray for Nigeria. Which Nigeria are you praying for? Mieti Allah, they are the killer. Mieti Allah, they are the one who is the owners of Nigeria. They told you that Nigeria is their forefathers' state, that Nigeria belongs to them. And now you are praying for Nigeria. Somebody who came to kill your own loved one, you are not praying and praising that person. Do you see how stupid some of us are? Huh? Good. That is number one. Number two, when Fulani, when this government, Mieti Allah, whenever they want to commit to this genocide and atrocities where they commit in Nigeria, they use the same brothers to fight brother. Make una go into Nigerian army. How many Fulani be soldier where they there? How many of them will be police? You can see them in a very big rank. And them they rank, all the big rank. Now Fulani they there. The people where they carry gun, they go they fight. Now which people be that? Now the same Hausa people, Igbo people, Yoruba people, Niger Delta, all the tribe, now when they use, they kill themselves. You don't see that game? You are broad and they where they army, they go. Now, how then they do their game? If there's problem in the southeast, then go pack Hausa people, Tifi people, Yoruba people, go begin the fire there. When there's problem in Yoruba land, they go pack Igbo people, pack everybody. The ones who another tribe come, they go begin to kill themselves. Do you see how the game they rule? All the military where they are, go ask how many full. Now Hausa people where full there, Hausa and them full there, where they don't damage their brain. You see them? Now, tell your brother and your sister, make you resign from that army. Then they use them, they conquer themselves. Finally, when they don't kill themselves, finish now, then go come bring their own military where they train. We go come finish the job for them. When I don't understand their game. Now, what did they do Hausa people with that? And many of them say when they intelligent. When I want to keep Nigeria one. Now, I go back to Daddy GO and the pastors. Make a shock on now. Every Sunday, when they preach in the church, then they use the name of Joseph, Moses, they preach. Why are they using that name? Because Moses and Joseph did a good work those days. That is why you see their name in the Bible. Ask your Daddy GO and the pastor, why una no go do like Moses and the Joseph? Why? You know why they no go feed them? Because God know they answer their prayer. Nigeria Daddy GO and the pastors, na thief them be. Many of them, 99% of them are criminal. That is why God know they answer their prayer. Now, all of them are very rich. They are rich, they have money, they have euro, they have pounds, they have dollar, they have car, mansions, private jets. They never lack anything. But do you know, during the time of Moses and Joseph, we all know the story of Joseph and Moses. Joseph, his brother, sold him to Egypt. When he reached to Egypt, there is hunger where he came from. Joseph now inviting their people to come to Egypt so that they go see food to eat. Make them drink water and have life. Joseph never decided to hide all the money. He never decided to use the money, buy private jets. He never used them to buy gold and diamond at the horses that time, because now waiting the rain those days. He no buy anything. Rather, I call in people, give their people food they eat. You are the GO. How many people they don't give food? It is that magic way they do, then go enter one village, begin to share Indomie. Channel TV go carry. You know, say Channel TV, the only where they do evil. Now there you see them. Channel TV go begin to carry them. All the news go they carry them. Say they share Indomie. Only one village. What about other villages? How many branches do you have in Nigeria? Your churches where you steal money from poor people. I'm talking about you at the GO. Do you see why I hate them? Now so they go they deceive people every day. They share money. Then go collect money from politicians. After collecting money from politicians, now that's the same politician now make you no get job. After your graduation from school, no job for you because of politicians. Now, you go they frustrated. You go wrong enter church. When you read that church, the pastor way there, the first prayer where you go hear that day. If you want God to do something tangible for you this month, you must sow a seed with something tangible. Now, you go carry your phone, go give them. Carry your TV, go give them. Bring the last card where you go take give food with your children, you go give them. End of the month, you don't see anything. But let me tell you, anywhere you see 100 people, 1,000 people gather, among inside them, one of them, something good must happen to that person every month, every day. Among all of them, one of them, something good will happen. Some of them will still hear bad news. That is the nature of life. You dey hear me? That is the nature of life. All these are brakata, what do they do? Maybe I know they listen to them. If they believe say they get power, why they no fit change this government? I hate these people because they never like anybody in Nigeria. They hate the poor people. All these are the GO pastors. These people hate the poor people. They milk the poor people to dry. If these people, they have the power to bring the mega protests, all of them will come together, do protests against this Buhari government. You think something will not change for good, for poor people? But they choose to collude with the politicians and killing you, slaughtering you, frustrating your life. Do you know the reason why they said they let there be meat in my house? Make them use that money, they help the food, that meat, they help the poor people. Ask them whether they use that food they help the poor people. They know they do them. Not only them they eat them with their family. Go to Ghana. Ghana, that the GO them and their pastors, they gather themselves together, carry the money where they get from offering, go build psychiatric hospital. From that place, job they there. Free and carry the key, give government. They are taking care of poor people. People with frustration don't scatter their head. They day inside that place. Then they cure them. Which one that you are that the GO do for you? Now for you to eat, they always encourage you to pray for Nieti Allah to kill you more. That's the only profit you get from them. Yeah? And when they start this prayer now, they will tell you, it's one village, one woman in your village. Now it be the witch where they disturb you. Now one man in your village, now it be witch where they disturb you. No witch where they your village. You don't mind them. The witch where you get, now that's the GO and the politicians. These are the two governments where we say, now then they control every government in the whole world. Religious leaders and the politicians. Now them be that witch where they disturb you. Make you no go enter village, you can see old woman where you go help, when no get picking again, instead of you to help them. Because pastor don't tell you say that we not be winch. That woman don't be any winch. Now that pastor and the GO and the politicians, your governors, now them be your that them be that winch where they disturb you. So if you go back to a village, that's your neighbor, where breeze one remove in zinc, where house one fall, help him. Go help him. Arthritis one kill him. Diabetes one kill him. Different sickness, and you can help that person to be alive. Go do him. Now that if you help that kind of person, now God will answer your prayer. Maybe when you enter church now, you go begin to dash criminals money in the name of say that the pastor, they be this one. Why they are not helping you? Open your eye. No, they give this people money again. Stop giving them money. And if you enter church, if that church is not talking about your freedom, how you go get freedom? Come on from there. Every church in Nigeria, you know what they're supposed to be champion? Buhari resign, Buhari resign, Buhari resign, Buhari resign. Now so they go shout and so the protests go hit outside. Everything go good. But you don't hear them talk. Adebo will tell you, say if you know pay your tithes, you know go heaven. Now they can't think whether they go inside church, they preach to people. You don't hear them? Politicians don't kill you, making you kill the remaining one. Very wicked man. Within they call him, within the name, TB Joshua. He tell us say Nigeria must remain one. Say now they can't know if you break Nigeria. See TB Joshua. See that scammer. Thief. Make I open in here small. Next Sunday, if you want, go try them. TB Joshua Church, you go there. As you they enter gate, they write your name. They go ask you why you come, which problem you get. As you they tell them the reason why you come. Camera they there. They inside the room. TB Joshua and the men, they inside the room. They record everything where they do. When they don't record and finish it, you don't sabi your problem. Small time you go say, you go carry microphone, come. Ha ba 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 ba. Who be John? Who be John? John, I think John is wearing red shirt. He don't see you for camera before. He wearing red shirt. God said, it is your time now. Your mama they fry akara. From that akara, he send you to university. You come out, there's no job. Yeah, one company called you for a job. This, blah, blah, blah. So they deceive people. John go get up, go jump. Hey, say God don't answer my prayer. Lie, you dey fool yourself. Sit down there. Nobody, na camera, na show them who you be. Now what do they do for them? Una they pray, una don't feel pray like Moses. I don't tell una about Joseph. Now Moses now helping people. When he see as in people they suffer. Israelites they suffer for Egypt those days. Just like as Nigerians are suffering in Nigeria today. Moses helped them, take them out of Egypt. Why una don't feel take Nigerians out of from the Fulani? Una they pray. Una know God. Una say una be one-on-one with God. Una they talk with God. Now lie, una don't talk anything with God. Now person where they talk truth, now they talk with God. Now they hear the voice of God. All those lie way full on their mouth. If you enter church, that place where una they enter, if that person know they preach freedom, get away from that place. Stop giving them money. Every Sunday, don't give them money. Just don't give them money for 1 month. Then you understand. You will see that because of money, they open that church. They don't get branches everywhere. Imagine all those branches if na company be. Who go they complain? One church. That church now, they convert the whole place to company. When I go now, people wear their head no correct. Now when I go the fool. Look at me. Do I look like hungry person? I know they go in a church. All those who are black and now lie. Now before when I do them, now lie. Now before when I do them, gold, my gold, I carry them so seed. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Now they give money. Now winners side they go. You know how much if I want give offering for winners? Where my Bible? Make I show on the Bible when I buy for winners. Make I show on a Bible. I bought. You know how much I bought that Bible in winners? Yeah. Make I show on them. Not be when I talk. Make it not be like say. Make it not be like say. Me I dey talk waiting I know. Maybe when I hold on. I want to show now. Because all this wayo done too much. The wayo done too much. This way you don't too much. Wetin be this? Wetin be this? No be winners be this. This Bible don't last almost 20 years. See am. This is winners. See am. Automatic. See am. The best Bible where they in church, that one I buy. You know how much I buy this Bible? It's almost 20 years. This one. Almost. Yeah? If I want to give offering in winners, you know how much they use give offering? When I they put for envelope, that envelope when they give me, I they pack money full lamb. Now when I go, they full people everywhere. When I know if you help poor people, I don't want to go talking own God. The other people go talk their own God the other side. When they fear Fulani, but when I don't go fear somebody like me where they tell on the truth. Shine your eye. Forget about these people. None of them love you. Nonsense.